Imagine a world where robots can learn, adapt, and interact with humans like never before, but at what cost to human jobs and relationships? This is the reality we're heading towards with the rise of humanoid robots powered by AI. The concept of humanoid robots is not new, but recent breakthroughs in AI and robotics have made it possible to create robots that are not only intelligent, but also capable of learning from their environment. These robots can be used in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and customer service, to name a few. One of the most significant advantages of humanoid robots is their ability to interact with humans in a more natural way. They can recognize and respond to human emotions, which makes them more relatable and effective in various applications. For instance, in healthcare, humanoid robots can be used to provide emotional support to patients, which can lead to better health outcomes. However, the rise of humanoid robots also raises concerns about the impact on human jobs. With robots becoming more advanced and capable, there's a risk that they might replace human workers in various industries. This is a topic that we'll explore in more detail later in this podcast.
The development of humanoid robots is a complex process that involves multiple disciplines such as AI, robotics, and cognitive science. It requires a deep understanding of human behavior, psychology, and neuroscience to create robots that can interact with humans in a more natural way. One of the key challenges in developing humanoid robots is creating a sense of autonomy and free will. Humans have a unique ability to make decisions based on their own free will, which is something that robots currently lack. To overcome this challenge, researchers are exploring new AI algorithms that can enable robots to learn from their environment and make decisions based on their own experiences. Another challenge is creating robots that can adapt to changing environments and situations. Humanoid robots need to be able to learn from their mistakes and adjust their behavior accordingly. This requires a deep understanding of human behavior and psychology, as well as the ability to learn from experience.
The development of humanoid robots is not without controversy. Some people are concerned that these robots might replace human workers in various industries, leading to widespread unemployment. Others are concerned about the potential risks and consequences of creating robots that can interact with humans in a more natural way. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for robots to become too advanced and capable, leading to a loss of control by humans. This is a topic that we'll explore in more detail later in this podcast.
The potential impact of humanoid robots on human society is vast and far-reaching. They have the potential to revolutionize industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and customer service, to name a few. However, they also raise concerns about the impact on human jobs and relationships. One of the most significant implications of humanoid robots is the potential for them to become integrated into our daily lives. We're already seeing this happen in various industries such as retail and healthcare, where robots are being used to provide customer service and support. However, the integration of humanoid robots into our daily lives also raises concerns about the potential risks and consequences. For instance, what happens when robots become too advanced and capable, leading to a loss of control by humans? How do we ensure that these robots are designed and developed in a way that aligns with human values and ethics?
In conclusion, the development of humanoid robots is a complex and multifaceted topic that raises many questions and concerns. While they have the potential to revolutionize industries and change the course of human history, they also raise concerns about the impact on human jobs and relationships. As we move forward in this journey, it's essential that we have a nuanced and informed discussion about the potential benefits and risks of humanoid robots. We need to consider the potential consequences of creating robots that can interact with humans in a more natural way and ensure that they are designed and developed in a way that aligns with human values and ethics. So what do you think? Are humanoid robots the future of automation, or do they pose a threat to human jobs and relationships? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.